Have you heard Mount Mariglem? If not, allow me to show you the recent discovered mountain which opened in December 2023 located in Cabangan, Zambales, Philippines. Mount Mariglem, which is 573 meters above sea level and 4 out of 9 in terms of difficulty. It is not the highest peak, but it provides magnificent view and a peaceful atmosphere that makes the trek worthwhile. A 2 to 3 hour climb up an open trail through the grassland and mountain slopes leads to the summit. We strongly advise being physically prepared before trekking, even though some people claim that the trail is suitable for beginners. To further appreciate the Mount Mariglem beauty, please keep watching and don't forget to like and subscribe. We are picked up by our travel and tour provider, Lakwat Sharing Onigo, at 10:30 p.m. in Isimbacoor and arrived to San Marcelino, La Paz at 2:30 a.m. for breakfast. After breakfast, we traveled to Cabangan, Zambales, and at 4:30 a.m. our registration and hiking begin. New trail yung pinili namin, and pang major trek siya. There are two options: ascending to the peak by an old trail for beginners and a new track for experienced and seasonal hikers.
Haba kasi doon sa may ano kanina, hindi pa siya nakainom ng tubig.
Opo, sa Tagaytay. Kaya nagulat niya kami
My journey to Mount Mariglem in Zambales is more than just a hike. It's an opportunity to immerse myself in the natural beauty of the region. Taking about 2 to 3 hours to reach the top depending on your pace as you hike, you'll be treated to panoramic views of Zambales Mountain as we reach the summit at 7:40 a.m. While Mount Mariglem may not boast the highest elevation in Zambales, it's more than that makes up for it with its unique trail, serene environment, and the sense of accomplishment you feel when you reach the top. Whether you are a seasoned trekker or a nature enthusiast looking for a new challenge, Mount Mariglem is a perfect destination for your next adventure. Also, for hassle-free experience, it's advisable to start early in the morning, as the hike can get quite hot. Bring essentials like water, snacks, a hat, and sunscreen. If you are into photography, don't forget your camera to capture the stunning beauty of Mount Mariglem. This travel will be my last escape for 2024. Thank you for watching and have a blessed 2025.
Crystal clear. Ang ano ng tubig, ang parang sarap lumubog.
Alang.
Sarap.
Oh, sarap. Ang lamig.
Ligaw ka na.
Oo.
Kala mo marunong kumanta, pwede.
Doon sa may parking, may nirentahan akong video kita.
Kala mo marunong kumanta.
Audience lang naman.
Teka, clap lang tayo, B.
Tara,